Hey Victoria, this is Devin. Talked to you earlier. It was great speaking to you. Thank you for watching this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways you could beat your competition online. You're probably wondering why I'm making these videos, and it's simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this stuff for me. So by the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, give me a call, we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is everything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you, it'd be like cleaning services Austin, Austin cleaning service, stuff like that. Now Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever images are saved as. So if you look at your website right here, primalcleaningatx.com, no one can deny this is a great looking website. Like, everything's laid out really, really well. I love the images you have here, little moving icons. It's a great looking website. Unfortunately, Google doesn't rank you based off of how good your website looks. They're only based off text and content stuff. And as far as the content you have, you're probably sitting at about 400 to 500 words. If that, Google's going to want you to have that 1,500 to 2,000. Also, one more quick tip. Whatever your images are saved as counts as content. So instead of saving this as SSL, you can say this is like cleaning service Austin or something like that. Same with here. Austin cleaning. Oh, this is close. Cleaning services 12 should be like cleaning service Austin, something like that. I'll help you rank for those keywords. Your main competitors, Austin's Maid Service and Maids and Moore. These guys have like 300 to 400 words on their front page. Maids and Moore, probably the same thing, about 300 to 400 words. So you're going to beat them with 1,500. So that's my first tip for you, Victoria. My next tip is going to be backlinks. Google's like a popularity contest, and they look at how many other websites are linking to yours, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows that you're not a pizza company with the name Primal Cleaning. Now, look, I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs. It's pretty cool. It does cost me about $1,000 a month, but it allows me to pull apart your whole website. So it says you don't have any websites linking to you and no backlinks, which leads to no traffic per month. That's fine. It's a good start. It looks like the website wasn't started since like July is when it first started. So all good. I'm glad that you started the business in the middle of COVID. It's what a lot of people did. It's finding another way to make your own money. Let me show you what you're up against. Or, I don't know, finding another way to make your own money. You know what I mean. Austin's Maid Service and maidsandmore.com. Now, these guys have 106 websites linking to them, and Maids and More has 386 websites linking to them. So to beat these, let's just go after the smaller guys first. To beat them, you only need to get maybe 110 to 120 websites. You could get 106 to match them, but you want to dominate them. So like 120, 125, that'd be good. And the best place to do that is to just go take whatever links are linking to them and go link them to yourself. If it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you too. And I don't know about these ones up here, but like maid service something.com, maidservice.com, house cleaning, house cleaning, house cleaning, house cleaning, house cleaning. Those would all be good .coms to get links from. You can do the same thing with these guys. Just go, whoops. Go find out which ones they got and go add a bunch more on top. Maid cleaning, house cleaning, commercial cleaning, stuff like that. Here's the reason why you want to do that too. If you just capture and you beat Austin's Maid Service, these guys have 106 websites linking to them, 937 traffic a month. That's like life-changing type of traffic. You can imagine how much more business you'd have, how much you can grow your business if you do that. Obviously, you're not going to go after that in one day, but in all reality, you can add 10 links a day. You could beat these guys in about 12 days of work. It's a lot of traffic, okay? The last thing I'll talk to you about is going to be citations. When somebody does type in cleaning services Austin and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you obviously want to be that cleaning company because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads already. We know that. No one clicks on them. And so the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, Thumbtack. These are really common ones. Best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. List yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. The more the merrier. I have a list of about 500. These guys probably have about 120. So you can either completely dominate them with 500 from the get-go. You can just slap them down with like 300. Either way, you want to completely dominate the marketplace. That's all I've got for you, Victoria. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was, first off, getting your website up to about 1,500 words, 2,000 words of content. Content is king. You want to stuff with the keywords you're targeting, like cleaning services in Austin, maid service Austin, stuff like that. Backlinks. You don't have that far to go. You can beat off just what's it called, maid service Austin. Like, just beat them really quick with, or no, Austin's maid service, 106 websites linked to them. Just go and get those same exact ones and add a bunch more on top. You'll knock them out of the water. And then same, you can go even further with the next guys. And then, my last thing is citations. Figure out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in the same ones. Add a bunch more on top. So, Victoria, again, like I mentioned before, if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay. This is completely free education. There's no strings attached. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. If you want me to help you take care of all this stuff, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, Victoria. I hope you have a great day.